Insert columns and rows. As projects grow, you'll need to expand your worksheet. You can do this by adding more columns to your table. Here's how you do it. Click in the column next to the table and start typing. Then press Enter. Let's also add a column for date due. This time, instead of pressing Enter, press Tab to move to the right. Then we can add other columns in the same way. We need to change the column width so the headings are visible. Double-click to adjust the widths automatically. Now we've got more columns, chances are we'll need more rows. It's really simple to do. Just drag the little green handle in the lower right, then type your data. When all your data is complete, you can format the columns as needed. Next, let's look at how to change some of your data. To change a cell completely, click it and retype the data. If you don't want to retype everything, double-click the cell and then click to move the cursor to the part you want to change. You can also click in the formula bar to change a cell. We've looked at how to add a column or row to the outside of a table. But what if you want to add one to the middle? Click a table header. Then go to the Home tab and click the arrow under Insert. From here, we can insert a row or column to the entire worksheet. But in this example, we just need to add a column to the left of our selection. If you've made a mistake and need to delete a column, select the header, then click Delete and delete table columns. You can do the same thing with rows. Select a cell in the row, insert a table row, or delete a table row. If you want to copy data into your table, the good news is it works the same in Excel as it does in other programs. Select the data you want to copy or cut, go to the Clipboard group on the Home tab and click the command. Then click where you want the data to go and click Paste. The last thing we'll look at is how you move a column or row. Cursor position is key and can be a bit tricky to get right. First, select the table header until you see a four-headed cursor. Now, slowly move the mouse over the bottom border of the header until you see a four-headed cursor. Then click and drag it to the left. You should see a thick I-beam cursor. Drag the cursor to the point where you want to move the column and then release the mouse button. You can do the same thing with rows. Move the mouse over a border until you see the four-headed arrow. Then drag the I-beam to the point where you want to move the row. And that is how you insert columns and rows.